Hey, what's up everyone? This is your boy TJ and welcome to my YouTube channel. First and foremost, I have to apologize for being offline for such a long time, but I have a banger video for you guys. It is the ZTE Blade A31. This is the 2022 version of the Blade A31. In the box, all you got is the USB cable and a headphone jack, some paperwork, and yeah, that's all you guys get. This is the charging brick, and I'm in Jamaica, so it's by Flow. I got this as a promotion though. This is the promotion that I'm looking at right now. There you go, the ZTE A31. Hold up, I'm on their Instagram page, and that's the phone. So looking at the phone, it's a okay phone. It's kind of alright. The only drawback is that the processor, it kind of reminds me of the Samsung Galaxy J2 Core. It's not really a high-end processors, so yeah, you can't play all those kind of heavy games on it like PUBG and so forth. So speaking of the phone, it's a 5.45-inch HD display with a 8-megapixel rear camera. It's an octa-core processor, 3000 milliamps battery, and that is just the minimum specs of the phone. I have downloaded some apps here to give you guys like a more in-depth view for those people who are interested. So it's running Android. It's running Android 11, I think, just to make sure. I'll show you guys that. There you guys go. There you go. It's running Android 11. So that is one of the gestures, the hand gestures on this phone. It is the octa-core, right, processor. It is a ARM Cortex A55 1.6 gigahertz processor, core 8 cores, and so forth. Those are the GPUs. The device model, ZTE Blade A31. The screen resolution is 720 by 1400 pixels, 440 pixels, my bad. The RAM is 874 megabytes. That's the total. And available RAM is 355 megabytes, and it's using 40%. The internal storage though is 25.24 gigabytes, and available it's 19.28 gigabytes, and I'm using 76%. The system, Android 11, API level 30, and so forth. And to tell you guys, this is not a high-end phone, as I said before. It's like a phone that you guys can like watch videos and so forth. And yeah, there's the front-facing camera. Let me see if I can. It is a 5 megapixel front-facing camera right about here. Down at the bottom you got nothing. Down here is the charging port, if you guys can see it. Hold up. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. If you can get the camera to focus. On the right hand side you have your power button, volume button, up and down. On the left hand side, nothing there. At the top you have a headphone jack. And at the bottom, at the back I should say, you have a fingerprint sensor. It is okay, but yeah, it gets the job done. It's kind of snappy. It's kind of snappy. It doesn't always pick up. There you go. I kind of like it because you don't have to like press the power button. You can just put your hands on it and it open. Okay, the camera, it's an 8 megapixel camera. I'm not sure about this AI right here, so I'm going to go outside, show you guys a bit more about the camera. Okay, this is the camera right now. That's my cat. Yeah, I hope you guys can see it. This is my camera. This is the rear camera. I can't see anything what I'm recording, but I hope you guys can see it. These cat. It has an HDR mode up there. It looks like it have a face detection. And down at the bottom, if I can, you have a panorama mode right there. You have a pro mode. You have a burst mode, and you have a capture mode, which is the regular, you know, just shoot and go. You have a video mode. You have a time lapse. You have more. So more has these stuff that you can scan, like QR codes and so forth. It has filters, and it has a night mode for like when you're in low light environment. Yeah. This is what the camera looks like. And inside the settings, you have the storage path, volume, functions, quick capture by double tapping the screen. You can choose to turn off the sound. You can save like geolocations. This is the pixels that you want to save the video files, or when it is, or should I say when it's capturing the video and so forth. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So as I'm saying, you guys, it's not really like a top tier kind of device, but it's an okay device. It's kind of remind me of the Samsung Galaxy J2 Core. It's an all-rounder. It kind of, it have this like premium look to it. There you go. This is what the box look like without the case, because you do get the silicone case inside of the phone.
Come, Tom.
You do get the silicone case inside of the package and so forth. So that's the end of the video, guys. One last look at the phone. And that's it.